Hi everybody, Math Fairy here with a soccer task for you today that deals with numbers. So let's check it out. All right, we have a little video to check out first. So let's see what happens in this video. All I want you to do is notice and wonder what's happening. Whoa, that was nuts, wasn't it? Oh my gosh. So beginning of the video, you just see that soccer ball. And what kinds of things happened? Well, that guy was amazing, right? That guy was amazing. His name's Graham, is really good at working with a soccer ball. Wow. How about you? You better get out there today and try that yourself. Man, what kind of questions do you have there? Me personally, I'm watching and I'm like, oh, the video stopped. I wanted to see how long he could make it. Like, how long can he go until that ball falls down? And man, did you notice? He did not just hit the ball on his, knees, on his thighs. He even did some chest bumps. He even did a head bump. Man, he was, rocking it. So, let's try and let's figure that out. How long was he able to go? Like, what information do I need to tell you for you to figure that out? Like, how many times is he able to keep it going? Well, guess what? I have some information for you. So go ahead and get a paper, pencil, something that writes, something to write on, okay? And get yourself ready, because here's some information that you're going to like, okay? So right here we have some information that we need to figure this out. So in this video that was stopped early, he actually, before he dropped the ball, was able to hit it off of his head 23 times. That's a lot. I might have a headache. He hits it off his chest only one time. We saw that in that video, I think. He hits the knees 14 times. So this area he hit 14 times. So do you notice anything about these numbers so far? Me, I'm noticing he hit it off his head the most right now. I actually thought he would have hit it off his chest more. And he kept hitting, because look at this. He hit his left foot 13 times. So I'll write that right here. And he hit the right foot, holy moly, 36 times. Wow! I definitely have to go try this today to see how many I can get. If I can even get one. Okay. But the more you practice, the better you get, right? So if we want to find the total amount that he's able to hit, what do we have to do with all these numbers? We're going to have to add them all up. So I need to add 23 to 1 to 14 to 13 to 36. Wow, there's different ways of doing this. So you go ahead, pause the video, and figure out a way for yourself of adding these numbers together. Because I'm going to start it. Now, if you figure it out one way, try and add it up a different way a second time and see, compare. Did you get the same answer? If you did, then you probably got it. Okay, so here I go. I would start out by looking for things in these numbers that make things just super nice. I am liking something between 14 and 36. There's something I like that's happening when I add these two together. So let's take a look at that. Because you don't have to add it in the order that it's put down here. You can add in any order. And in math, that's known as the addition commutative property. We can move numbers around and add them in any order. So here, the reason why I like this is because if I draw this out, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this one, I have 36, 10, 20, 30, and then 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I noticed that was really cool is that this 4 and this 6 could come together and make another 10. 4 and 6 is 10, and I love 10 facts. So now I have a 10 and 3 more 10s, which gives me 4 10s. But then I was able to make another 10 with the 4 and the 6. So now I have 5 10s. And 5 10s is the same thing as, that's equivalent to 50. Awesome. Loved that one because I was able to make a 10. Okay, so is that the total? Well, no. I still have these other numbers to add together. So I've dealt with 14, I've dealt with 36. So I still have 23, 1, and 13. And I am liking something about 23 and 13. Check it out. There's not a 10 fact, but there's another special type of fact in here. I have 2 10s and 3 1s, 1 10 and 3 1s. Oh my gosh, that's when I go, oh my gosh, I'm excited. Because my 1s here, I have a 3 and a 3. 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 2, 3. That's a double, baby. 3 plus 3, that's 6. So I know 3 and 3 is 6. And then I have 2 10s and 1 more 10. So 2 10s is 20, 10, 20, and 1 10 is worth just 10. So 20 plus 10 gives me 30. So if I put 30 and 6 together, 30 plus 6 gives me 36. Okay, so now I dealt with the 23, I dealt with the 13, and I got 36. And I do have one more, right? One more right here. I could add that to either one, but at this point, I have 36 and I have 50 and the one more. So I'm going to write that, where should I write that? At the top. So I have 50 plus the 36 plus one more. And I am loving this problem now. Makes it much more nice for me. Because, much nicer for me, I should say. Right here, 50, that's 5 10s. So I'm going to draw that out just for visual. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then here, I have 30, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I put these together, that works out real nice because I just have 10s that I can put together right away. That's 5 of them and 3 more. 5 and 3 more is 8. So 8 10s is the same thing as AD plus that 6 more, plus that 6 more gives me 86. And then I'd still need to add on one more. So if I go one more above 86, I am at 87. And what's really cool, guys, is that I have a video that shows the final act. So it's going to show you how many total and see if we got it. If we didn't, that's okay. We just learn from it and see what our mistake was. Let's check it out. Wow, he can really hit his head so many times. I really didn't believe it, but I guess it's true. Wow. Wow, amazing. I guess he really did hit his feet a lot, right? Those were big numbers that we were adding on just his feet. And there goes more head bumps. Oh, yeah. Wow. Amazingness, right? So, if you're like, wait a second, it didn't say how many he did. Well, you yourself go back, review the video, count it up, and see. Did we get it? Did we get it? Okay. If not, remember learning from it and seeing what happened. What did we do wrong? Learn from it, right? Mistakes grow your brain. All right, adios for now.